I got my dashcam. Came from Shenzhen, Guangdong, China, guys. See, guys, that's China Post Office. So we'll open that one, guys. Oh, dual lens vehicle black box DVR. Okay. Remove it. Oh. Oh, this is the front camera for the dashcam. You see? That's the front camera, guys, for my dashcam. Then what else? Comes with the real camera. That's the cable. This is the front camera, and comes with the power connector. And this is a tripod holder, guys. Suction holder tripod for the camera, so you can connect that to your car. So it has HD video recording, 4 HD display, 170 degrees wide angle, real view, loop recording, G sensor, and 1080p wide viewing angle, low illumination, high definition video, dual camera with 1080p and 720p. The front camera is full HD 1080p with 1920 by 1080. The real view camera is 720p, capture the entire road with a clear angle of view with a 170 wide viewing angle and a 4-inch LSP display. So we're gonna make a setting for the camera, guys. So the resolution is 1080p. It's dual recording, open, cycle. I'll put it 1 minute cycle, interval, close. Interval is close, guys. Interval close. Exposure is 0. Then motion open. Then watermark is open. Gravity high. Gravity is high. Sound open. Guard is open. Plate, just leave it there, guys. The plate close. Okay, that's my setting, guys. So we'll start recording now. So click the red button, this one, then record. So already recording, guys. Connect the suction connector for the camera so that you can install that on your car, guys. This one, you can put that on your front of your car, the windshield of your car. Just stick on the windshield, this one, guys. Install. Already installed that one, guys. The suction. So install. Then this one, the power, and then the other one is the back camera. This camera, the real camera, guys. We'll install that one here. That one here. It goes here, guys. It goes here. There. So guys, I already installed the dash cam on my car. So I'm gonna start recording now and see what's this dash cam bring us. What's our review for this dash cam. So I'm gonna record some video for this one, and then we'll see the actual video when we run that on my computer. So guys, going to the airport. Put another lane. Yeah, $5. Pwede na. $5. That's the morning shot. That's the morning video from my webcam. So that's my review, guys. So check it in here, guys. for the dual lens big black box DVR camera. It's already test this camera on night and daytime. Wow, it's working fine in day and night time. If you have a tight budget, this costs like $39. So I recommend this camera, guys. So that's my review for this camera, guys. This is Stan from Chicago. Bye from now.